Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome to Voice Changer with Effects. Let's see what we can do here. This is normal. Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome to Voice Changer with Effects. Let's see what we can do here. And here we have helium.
Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome to Voice Changer with Effects. Let's see what we can do here.
A laugh that turns into a cough. Let's try hexafluoride. I've used this before, and it is awesome, believe it or not.
Hello, people of the world.
Ooh.
My name is the Shark
I have a
Ant,
deep
and
voice
welcome to
now.
Voice Changer with Effects.
Oh
Let's see what we
yeah,
can do
my
here.
voice is so deep. Oh, you didn't get to hear it.
Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome to Voice Changer with Effects. Let's see what we can do here.
I am a robot. We are going to do the robot effect.
Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome to Voice Changer with Effects. Let's see what we can do here.
Boop bop beep bap boop beep bop beep. I'm a big robot.
Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome to Voice Changer with Effects. Let's see what we can do here.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Hello.
Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome to Voice Changer with Effects. Let's see what we can do here.
I have a very, very deep voice, and I'm about to prove it to you.
Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome to Voice Changer with Effects. Let's see what we can do here.
I'm not actually laughing, am I? I can't tell if I'm faking it or if I'm actually laughing. I hope you get something out of this. I'm not gonna go over every effect. I'm just gonna do some effects that I think are cool.
Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome to Voice Changer with Effects. Let's see what we can do here.
I'm still a child.
Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome
I can't
to
lip
Voice
sync
Changer with
properly.
Effects. Let's see what
Excuse
we
my
can do
terrible
here.
lip syncing while we go underwater.
Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome to Voice Changer with Effects. Let's see what we can do here.
Oh no, my battery's low. I better
Hello,
charge it.
people of the world.
I better charge it
My name is the
fast.
Shark Ant, and
Please.
welcome to Voice
No.
Changer with Effects.
Oh no, it's about to die.
See what we can do.
Oh no, it's too late. It's already dead. Oh no. My phone is dead now. Oh, why? Everything is spinning.
Hello, people of the world. My name is the Shark Ant, and welcome to Voice Changer with Effects. Let's see what we can do here.
Okay, that was a little... I could not keep up. Get more effects. Launch ads. Recommend this to 5 friends. Upgrade to ad-free version. Okay. I don't wanna. Well, we'll do that in another episode. Oh, it sounds. It sounds like I'm so. It sounds like a parakeet who's been sucking on too much hexafluoride. You guys don't want to see this video anymore, do you? Well, bye-bye.